Wow, baby. Wow, baby. Hey, man, what's up? What's good, YouTube? As you guys can see, it's your host of the most, Paul Cantu. Live outside the Thrift. Hopefully it's not hella windy. I can feel the wind blowing my bowl cut. But yeah, man, I'm about to go to Rhode Island. I have a flight to catch later today. So whilst I was on the way to the airport, I figured I'd stop by the Salvation Army thrift store, a couple more, and see what I can find before I traverse across the nation. So join me, show you how to get fresh for less once again. All right, baby, and we are in here. Dude, they got all the jams on. And I found a couple bangers to start the day off with. Right, you got that members only. Shout out that boy Young Clipper.
Fuck with me.
Some of you guys been asking where he's at. Bro, only the Lord knows. He's been pursuing fish. That's his thing. You know what? Thrifting is like fishing, but I fish with bombs, bang. And that's why I found this beautiful piece of straight up dynamite. This is some vintage heat right here. I just like the color blocking, that little piece of jewelry right there. So a nice little subtle find. Everything is half off. Bro, come on. $3.50. Quick maths. Boom. Let's go. Also, guys, just a little word of advice. Always be a good thrift citizen. Remove the hangers. You know what I'm saying? Place them back on there. Save the cashier some time. Let's get it. Yo, this is the definition of subtle flex. Look at this, man. You guys can't even tell what that is. Dude, those are little lions. Lions. Those are like tri-tigers. Little triplets in the zoo. The Tommy Hilfiger super old school size medium turtleneck. Am I not turtly enough for the turtle club? Coppin'. Oh my dear good God. Look at this piece, man. It'd be so heated if someone did not fumble the ravioli. Tripping. Wow, that neck, unbelievable. Hey, this is arguably some of the best genetic engineering I've seen thus far. GMOs get you more hoes, straight up. Also got the little Hooters Vegas tee. Look at them titties. Yo, typical fashion. Got the baddie up here blowing kisses, knocking men down, having them bamboozled on that ass. So accurate, man. And why is she embroidered and the man's not? Homie screen printed, that's kind of fucked up. Hey, fuck the patriarchy. I believe I can fly. Oh, that's assault, brother.
That's assault, brother.
All right, I get a feeling that the people do not fuck with Mark Sanchez. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the hot dogs on the sideline.
You know that life is good when you're the quarterback of the New York Jets and you can eat a hot dog on the sideline.
Who knows? A hot dog on the sideline seems like a good time, in my opinion. Also, shout out the ambassador for Wrangler. Real comfortable jeans.
Wrangler, real comfortable jeans.
Brett Favre. Oh yeah, and if you guys are trying to see the full fit, wait. There it is. Bro, you like could not see that at all. Got the little bootleg Coogee, and then I got the little Houston edition Air Maxes. Oh wait, you guys haven't even seen where I got those. Let me show you real quick. All right, class, so this video is taking a random turn. So my homie Elliot, whose Airbnb I stayed at, hit me up because in Houston, they're releasing this Air Max, like the City of Houston DJ Screw Coding collab, I guess you could say. I'm over here with the lovely Casey, as usual. So I'm gonna pull up in this Foot Locker right now. I've been in there waiting because Max O'Cream is supposed to pull up. So I'm returning right now because a couple of my homies actually work there. So I just figured this was some vlog-worthy footage to throw into a random video. So let's go ahead and get it. And Maxo's just giving shoes to the people, man. It's so live. Also, shout out Mia real quick. You already know what time it is, baby.
Come to the gallery and come spend some money with your girl.
I'm telling her she needs to make a channel because she got the sneaker knowledge and the personality, but it's just sick, man. He's hooking everybody up with sneakers. Yes, sir, baby. Hey, and we out here with the quick lick. Yeah, man, so, shout out Foot Locker for the shoes, you guys already know. And shout out Salvation Army for all of the vintage gear, baby. I think I'm gonna run across the street real quick and see what they have over there. And then I'm gonna proceed to one more. I do believe in the Lord. All right, guys, we in here, bro. Of you. Yeah, we in here, and the first find is this beautiful Oklahoma State. Look at that insanely large embroidered cowboy. This fool got them parachute pants, low-key Genco in this hoe. They're charging $35 for this. Bro, I don't even charge that much on my website for gear like this. If you guys need anything, thriftheavenvintage.com is the place to go. Link in the description down below. Yeah, so I gotta leave this dude. But look at the dead stock socks. Wow. I've never seen a better match to the Grinch color scheme than this. You got that vomit green Patagonia. 35 big ones. Trippy. Oh man, just when I thought the store was dry, boy was I wrong. Wetness all around me, true, but I'm no island. Wow, they got the Air Force One times Jordan 5 collabs with the heavy booty cheeks. And look at that, man, the shoe's talking to me. What are those? What are those? Oh yes, baby. So we're at the next spot of the day, which has the $2 daily meal deal. So everything in here is $2, and then the prices go down accordingly. So if you guys go to any family thrift outlet on Thursdays, everything's $2, and they have a pretty good selection. So let's see what they got. Oh yes, we in this ting, baby, and look at the first find of the day. So I want to tell all you guys, all my subscribers, you guys are like my sisters, like my sus squad sisterhood is what we got going on here. So look at these two gals, man. I'm telling you guys, man, curly hair is the juice, it's the shit. Circa 1992, girl rocking the cross colors African collab, and homegirl over here looks like she's like got a gourd just coming out of her damn windbreaker. That's kind of crazy, but yeah, man, this is just a dope ass piece. Very clean, very sick. Black taff, you dig? Bro. I did it again, baby. Oops, I did it again. Peep this grail, baby. Oh my God. You got that Houston Oilers 1993 AFC champs, bruh. Or Central champs, whatever. Same shit, different toilet. But, dude, year of my birth, how clean is that? And I got the kicks to go with it, bro. I'm blessed on that old school toe tax tag right there. Absolute gem, absolute gem. Oh man, hey, February 2nd is going down. You guys already know. SneakerCon South Florida in Fort Lauderdale. Pull up. I'm gonna have a lot of Florida gear, including this Miami Hurricanes embroidered piece with that nice little cufflet action happening on the neck and sleeves. Very clean. This dude has hands down one of the most badass stances of birds of all time. So yeah, definite cop. Bro, I am in luck. They got hella Florida stuff. So you got the rivalry going on right here. You got cooking with the Seminoles. Baby, I love that drum play, you dig? Homie is cooking up all the opponents in that bitch. That fool saucing over there. And on the back it says the Seminole Cafe, and it has all of the menu items, which look low-key delicious. The tossed leprechaun salad, dude, it's like when I toss kinky salad, you dig? Holy hell, bro. Huh. We got another one, son. Look at this graphic, bro. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I love vintage shit. Like, no one is doing caricatures the way they used to, bro. Look how big this graphic is. I love Native American imagery. This is like on some Red Dead Redemption type shit. FSU Seminoles. Look at that Arabian stallion, bro. That boy about to spear somebody to death. Look at that tongue work, too. I love it, bro. This is an absolutely crazy gem. God, I might not let this go in Florida. I don't know. This piece is just sick. Shit, I gotta wear it at least like 2 times. Oh man, looks like we got your whole grandfather's collection of Polo by Ralph Lauren. This piece is like a crazy material. It's like super hard and starched, and then by contrast you have this really pilled out felt looking material on this Ralph shirt, but the colorways on both are very unique. You know what I'm saying? And here's the rest of the collection, just plain Jane. Let's see if, no, that's not his. Just plain Jane and a couple of plaids, but there's like that Barney color scheme, boy, yes. Dude, look at these little gems. Got that plaid kind of like swamp green color scheme going on. You also have a little Coogee-esque sweater, and then that Buffalo Bills 1988. Damn, that thing ancient. No offense to my sister, that's when she was born, but hey, we out here. Oh yeah, baby. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Oh, why you gotta do me like that, Hanger? You did me dirty. We got it though, boys. We got that made in USA, the Black Knight. Nah, not Bruce Wayne with that weird ass voice. We talking senior, baby. Another man with a plan on a horse right there. Dude, clean graphics all along the shoulder blades. You got lightning striking, GM parts, good wrench racing all on the back. What a clean, pristine piece. Skirt, skirt. I'm copping. Oh, another one. Nice little plaid piece. Mickey embroidered on the tit. I'll take it. Yowzers. Then you have yet another one with the little Uzi vertical stripes. Look at this guy, man. Look at that stance. He is proud to be a mouse, as we should all be. Shout out all the mice worldwide. Dude. No freaking way. Look at this gem I just found. This Tommy Hilfiger down jacket. It is a little beat up, got some slight discrepancies, but it is a super sick gray colorway. Got the big Tommy flag on the inside. Hilfiger on the back. It's a little, yeah, it's a little beat, but still some heat, still some heat. Look at that little gem dangling, glistening, sparkling in the light. Fuck with it. All right, class, we're winding down the day's finds, and we got 4 little sweaters for the dub. You got the Chiefs, heavily crocheted by Cliff Engle. You know what I'm saying? You got the lands in multicolored. Classic 90s kind of scheme going on there. You have, speaking of classic 90s, a classic champion reverse weave Notre Dame crew neck, and then a made in USA vintage sky blue Nike piece as well. Just a bunch of little clean essentials, can go with a lot of fits, and were made back in the good old day in the States. All right, class. Yes, sir, indeed. Woo! We out of there. And now we need to proceed to the airport. Good Lord, baby. Good Lord. Let's get it.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.